Hey, how's it going? So, as you can see, 2013 Allen Ginter is out. I got two boxes from the OC Dugout today, day of release, and I'm gonna go ahead and rip these two different videos. So I'm gonna start with box number one here. Put this back here. Here we go. So here's the box. As you can see, it's pretty nice. I like the design this year. Pretty cool. I'm gonna get right into this because it's going to be one of the longer rips. Go ahead and move this guy out of the way for now. Wish me luck. Get in there. Cool. There we go. Got a box topper right up top. See if I can get a little better lighting. Alright, let's see what the box topper is. Got a Wonders of the World statue of Zeus. It's kind of cool. Ancient Wonders of the World. Nice huge card. So here we go. Here's what it looks like down there. Pretty nice. Let's go ahead and get into this. Do like me some Allen Ginter. I like me some rip cards as well. I tend to rip the rip cards. If you look in my past videos, I did a Rip Mania, 4 cards at once, 4 rip cards at once. Check it out if you haven't seen it. And I also pulled a one of one wood Pujols at one point. My first ever rip card, actually. So here we go. Allen Ginter, Coco Crisp, Apollo Neo, yep. Kuroda, Nice. Oh, boo, Ryan Braun. Sanchez. Got a mini of Schmaltz and Across the Years card. That's kind of neat. Schmaltz is just a normal mini. Kind of a neat insert there, Across the Years. Here we go. So I believe there's 3 hits in every box. Yep, autograph cards, relic cards, printing plates, rip cards, and book cards. Ted Williams, Machado rookie, Liner, Justin Upton, Weaver, Ellsbury, a mini, Inquiring Minds, John Locke, Across the Years Verlander, we got Murphy, David Murphy, Stan Musial, David Freese, Chanel, who's that? It's a model. Chanel Iman, Korean and part African American. Interesting. Walton, not sure, he looks kind of familiar. Bill Walton, oh, basketball legend. Abe Vigoda, interesting. Got a mini of Cargo. Standard, and another Across the Years of Sandberg, Ryan Sandberg. So we've got a Duffner, Roach, Freddie Roach, Teagan, Chrissy Teigen, Zimmerman, Rasmus. That one little corner, that's a cool card. Venus. Insert. Angel Pagan. Mini Angie back. And Carlton Fisk. Cards are somewhat basic in design. Kind of have that frame around it. And some slight coloring, I think. Got Donnie Baseball, Don Mangley. Carter, Gary Carter, Gallardo, Kershaw, Interesting perspective. It's Gordon. One little corner of the moon. Josh Johnson mini. And another Walton. C.J. Wilson, Skaggs, Tyler Skaggs, Bundy, Dylan Bundy, Lester, Anthony Rizzo, another little corner, Make, or that star. Interesting. Okay, we got a Heavy Hangs the Head, Alexander the First. Heavy Hangs the Head. It's a cool card. And Marco Scudero. Kind of low on battery. I'm trying to bust through this. And I usually like to take my time. I'm afraid this might run out. So got Howie Kendrick, Jason Hayward, Phil Necro. That's a cool card. Cal Ripken. Tease. Garza. And Paul Goldschmidt, normal mini. Across the years, Adrian Beltre. Getting a lot across the years and a lot of corner of the universe, or whatever they're called. One little corner. Alright, so we got Richter, Boone, Amelia Boone, World's Toughest Mutter, Grand Central Terminal. Gets its own card. Bowden, Zimmerman, mini is about to drop. Encarnacion, mini of Jackie Robinson. And across the years, Joey Votto. So we got Sabathia, Bumgardner, Iwakuma, Stakas, Adrian Gonzalez, Kilbrew, mini of Henry Rollins, musician, across the years, Tulowitzki. Never gotten a book card out of Allen Ginter. Never had the luck to pull one of those. That would be cool though to get at some point. So we got Billingsley, Josh Billingsley, Rodriguez, Paco, Hart, Murphy, Granderson, Marshall Mastery, Patchy. We got a Peacemakers behind that. So many different cards. Nelson Mandela, McCutcheon, and looks like one of the code cards. Cullen has become unstuck in time. That's funny. Take a good gander at this. Pause it if you need to. There's probably some hints in there. Subliminal. I see an eye in there. I don't know what that means, but I see an eyeball. It's got Andre Dawson, Chris Sale, Chapman, Mike Robinson, Nick Swisher, another Mastery, Marshall Mastery, Amazons. Vida Blue, Angie back, and Tommy Hansen. Switch these around. I think we're about halfway done here. Alright, so we got is that Bob Marley or Ziggy Marley? I think, yeah, Ziggy. He's got an auto in here too. Heath. Oh, I got a black mini. I told you not to draft him. Barry. Matthew Barry. Merriweather. Miller. Marshall Mastery. And a black bordered Mike Schmidt. And a Royd. So we got Robinson Cano, Vida Blue, Ben Revere, Burnett. Ooh, here's our first hit, Tim Hudson relic. Why do I always seem to get this guy? Kind of bummed about that. There's the first relic there. I like the border. It's pretty cool. Put that in its own stack. Got Albert Pujols mini. And Rice, Jim Rice. Across the years. I think we got another relic here. Not a relic, but another hit. Let's see what we get here. Harrison. Slaughter. Craig. Elvis Andrus. Don't want to. Let's flip this over. Across the years, Joe Mauer. And let's just do it. Boom. Furcal. Got a Molina mini over here, A&G back. 2 hits are kind of meh so far. Rafael Furcal. Kind of meh. Elvis Andrus. Alright. Come on, let's get an auto. Let's pull an auto. It's got Arroyo, Perez, Wynn, Jenkins, and here's the third. Oh, I think we have a Tony Cingrani auto. So I did get an auto. Cool. Not bad then. Glad I got an auto. Tony Cingrani. It's a nice card. Tony Gwynn, A&G back. And Tom Seaver across the something or other. So there's the hits for the box, unless I get something else. They seem to be kind of towards the bottom. Got Derek Holland, Matt Moore, Lynn, Aaron, O'Neill. What is this? Polaco, Strongholds, Neuschwanstein Castle. How do you say that? First one of these I've gotten. There's another. Actually, done one of these. First Americans, Wichita. Kind of a cool mini. And Markham. It's got Johnny Bench, Morgan, Santana, Fielder, Blyleven. Another one of these. Stronghold, Summer Palace. A black bordered Willie Stargell. And Bob Lemon. So we got Ford, Whitey Ford, Catfish Hunter, Mike Schmidt, nice older pack until Alonzo, Willie McCovey. Everything was cool until that Alonzo. Oh, Bobby Dorr, Hoschenschweiger Castle. How do you say that? Hoschenschweiger. And Robin Yount. That was almost a full old timers pack there until Alonzo ruined it. Is that his name, Alonzo? I don't remember which one it was. Alright, so we got Longoria, Jerkson Profar, Harper, still no Puig yet, Joy, Melrose, Hall, Acquiring Minds, Aristotle, and Yannis Cespedes across the years. It's got Ty Cobb, Rod Carew, Justin Pedroia, Jones, Dan Ugla, Beachy, Mini Avado, across the years of Upton. Avado is just normal. I think I got 4 packs left. This is the 4th to last here. So we got Yannis Cespedes, Young, Walker, Marchal, Ibanez, Rivera, Bunning, A&G back. Across the years, Shields, James Shields. 3rd to last pack. Duke Snider, Jim Rice, Frank Robinson, Medlin, Kennedy, Civilizations of Ages Past, Ottoman. A lot of different inserts. Eddie Murray, Normal, Garcia. 2 packs left. So we got Ian Kinsler, Brandon Morrow, yep, Warren Spahn, Denard Spahn, Penny Marshall, Biamba, Civilizations of Ages Past card, Inca, got a mini of Fowler, and George Brett, looking kind of young there. Last pack. Right, got Yasmani Grandal, Willie Mays, Felix Hernandez, Babe Ruth, Derek Jeter, Civilizations of Age Past, Shang Dynasty. Got a black bordered of Will Clark, Malone, and another Ginter card. Ginter code card. Cool. Thanks for catching this box 1 of 2 of 2013 Allen Ginters. Peace.